Hi everybody, Julie here with Northern Waters Cleansing Co. And welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different because I'm doing a giveaway. 3 lucky viewers are going to be able to win one of my Christmas soaps that I made this year. So there are 3 different soaps that I made. So the first one that you can win is this Christmas wreath soap. This is my usual cold process recipe, so it's got shea butter and kaolin clay. The Christmas wreath fragrance is really popular among my clients, and this soap sold out before I could even get it on the website last year. The next soap up for grabs is the Caramel Dark Hot Chocolate Cold Process Soap. This one has been hugely popular this year, and I've given it away both to family and friends as well. But at some of the Christmas shows I was at, this one sold really, really well. And it smells just like you would think caramel hot chocolate smells. On top are some European spa salts, some gold mica drizzles, and the brown mica drizzle. And it's a super cute bar of soap. My recipe bubbles really well. It has shea butter and kaolin clay included. So I use my soap for everything from washing my hair to lathering up to shave my legs, that sort of thing. So definitely this is an all-purpose soap. A lot of people ask me about that. You know, what do I use it for? Can I only use it on my hands? You can use it head to toe for sure. I also like to tell people that it took me about a month to transfer over from using like your traditional store-bought commercial type shampoo to a bar of soap for my hair. And during that month, for about 3 weeks of it, I used conditioner, and then that last week I sort of phased out the conditioner. And yeah, so after a month, my hair was really looking better than it ever had. It wasn't weighed down with oils and nasty gunk. So if you are thinking of doing that, you should check out my website, www.northernwaterscleansing.ca. And my tip to you is to purchase one of my more inexpensive bars, because like I said, I use the same recipe for everything except the goat milk soap that I do. I'm using the same recipe. So grab an inexpensive bar of soap and start the process. If you're thinking you don't want to use that commercial shampoo anymore, start the process of switching over to a bar of soap with something inexpensive. And then once your hair is switched over and it's healthy and happy, you know, then you can look at getting the soap of your dreams or splurging a little bit. And the last soap up for grabs is the one that I've called Northern Winter. So this is the one, it has 2 different blues on the inside. It's predominantly white. It's got the cute little glycerin embed on top, and then there are sugar sprinkles and some blue mica drizzles. This one has been really popular this year. I think I have about 4 left, so I'm gonna steal some aside for this contest. So, you've decided you want to win one of these Christmas bars of soap. Well, let me tell you how to do that. First, if you don't already subscribe to me here on YouTube, please do that now. You can either wait for the link at the end of this video, you can click the little icon down in the right-hand corner, or down below this video, just above the description, you'll be able to hit the subscribe button there. Next, you have to head on over to my Instagram page, where you're gonna find my latest post is about this contest. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, my handle is @NorthernWatersCleansing. You need to follow me on Instagram, like my post about this contest, and tag 3 of your friends. This contest is open to people in Canada as well as the United States. I am going to run this contest until December 31st, 2018, right up to the last day of the year. I'm going to run it until 11:59 that night. So lots of time to enter. Tell your friends about it, and hopefully you can win one of these beautiful Christmas bars of soap. There you go. It's just that easy to win one of these soaps. To summarize, you need to subscribe to me on YouTube, then head on over to Instagram. You need to follow me at Instagram, then like my post for this contest and tag 3 friends in it. That's it. Now a little heartfelt message. I just wanted to thank you all who have subscribed to my channel in 2018, who have started watching my channel in 2018. You know, all of my subscribers really help to make me feel like I'm creating some content that is useful for people, hopefully somewhat enjoyable and relaxing. So 2018 was a really good year in terms of I got out to do a lot more in-person selling of my soaps. And I really enjoyed that aspect because prior to that, everything had been online on my website. And while I did interact electronically with customers, it's really nice to actually go and see them face to face. And for an introvert like me, I think that's really saying something. Huge thank you to all of my customers, both in person and the ones that I've only met virtually. Thank you to you for supporting my small business this year. There are some big things coming in 2019, and you're gonna see a slight change to the format of my channel. Because of some increased demand, I probably won't be doing videos regularly every week. However, what you are gonna start to see is how you take a small soap business and scale it up dramatically fast. And that means keeping the same intricate designs that I do that include pipe tops and embeds and all of that fun sort of stuff, and scaling it up really fast. So I urge you to keep watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed, definitely you're going to want to do that because there's some really interesting content coming in 2019 that's really going to apply to any soap makers that are sort of where I am right now, and that is on the brink of getting very large very fast. So that's all I'm going to say about that. But yeah, exciting times ahead, lots of work ahead, lots of soap making ahead, but I'm thoroughly looking forward to it. So from my family to yours, I want to wish you happy holidays, all the best for a prosperous and healthy new year, and I'll probably see you again in 2019. Bye for now.